Kajala Meglaya Haduh Arbaje Minsngi Juga Kanyo Tarik Unailar Arja Arpo, Kaladan South Sound Kibi Athamai COVID-19 but Sound Kiba Koit no. Director Health Service Ula Pente Banakini South Sound Kibi Athamai, South Howard Kidena East Khasi District, Hakaba Way Shipai BSF, Live Kandangut Kiru Paitba, Iwe East Giant Hills District, Balangwood West Garo Hills District. Nakini ki Sound Kiba Koit Pat, Iwe na West Giant Hills District, Iwe na East Giant Hills, but Arnwood na East Khasi Hills District. Nakajing yo Athamai kini ki South Sound, but Kajing Koit no ki Sound, Kajala Meglaya Haduh Bapmi Yakanika Kubor, Kadon Chiajar, South Park Hat Pratali positive case, News Park Life Politely ki active case, Hindris Park Nyopukandaitali ki recovered case, Bandringwood ki Blacklad no. Nakini ki News Park Life Politely ki active case, ki East Khasi Hills District Kadon South Park Politely, Hakaba Nyopu Arnwood ki Shipai BSF, Aspa Prapuingwood ki Rupaitba, but Nyopongwood Naka Armed Force. West Khasi Hills District Kadon Lightly active case, Southwest Khasi Hills District Kawai, Riboy District Shispa, West Giant Hills Sao, East Giant Hills Sun, West Garo Hills Shispa Prabhusau, Southwest Garo Hills Lai, South Garo Hills R, but North Garo Hills Kadon Pratali active case.
Hills 40, one is from BSF, one is the contact of one of the high-risk cases, and 38 are the cases from Jong where we have done random sampling last evening. West Garo Hills, 3 from Tikrikila, East Giant Hills 1, who is an interstate driver. No, see in Rilbong what's happening. The spread is within a colony. That is why we have contained a particular colony, and all the roads and thoroughfare, Rilbong, Vishnupur, we have not closed all those roads. It's only the colony. So if we get positive cases other than this colony, in and around, without any history of contact, without any travel history, then what we have just said just now, we will have to take a call on that, on how to contain that whole area.
But these people
massive. That's what we are doing. That's why we have planned out that we will do random testing in these areas where they are working. So that is why. So if we get positive cases out there, then I think we will take a call at that time.
Suppose if
see, the basic principle is this, that a person who becomes positive falls under 4 categories, A, B, C, D. Okay, and we take care accordingly. And we get a maximum number of cases. I have already said that most of the positive cases can be taken care of at home. I'm saying it again now. You get a lot of positive cases, don't expect that we will take you to the Corona Care Center. We will ask that they be taken care at home and all protocols to be followed. That is the principle of community spread.